Hey Jay, how are you today?
I'm well, Lori. How are you
Good.
doing?
I'm good. What's behind us?
Okay, so we're here at the Tampa RV Show in Tampa, Florida, and behind us is our new fifth wheel toy hauler floor plan, the 4319.
Awesome. What makes ATC's construction different than everybody else's for the most part?
Okay, so at ATC, we build ours all aluminum construction, 6-sided welded box, no mechanical fasteners holding our walls to our ceiling to our floor.
So, no mechanical fasteners, no screws, no
bolts,
and nothing.
Fully welded cage.
That's so awesome. Very sturdy then, I would take it.
Yes.
Okay,
Yep.
great. And then what type of axles do we use?
So we use Dexter torsion axles. Gives a smoother ride, and we also spread our axles further apart than a lot of the other manufacturers. What that does, that also gives us smoother towability, and we also put our fuel tanks between the axles, keep that weight centered in that area.
And protection too, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Perfect. With the way that our torsion axles is, like, does that do anything with like deck height? I see that ours, when I look around or whatever, ours seems a little bit lower to the ground than everybody else's.
Yeah, great observation, Lori. So we do purposely keep ours lower to the ground, keep our deck height lower, and there are many advantages to that. One is it's easier to load your toys in and out of the unit, and then also you get less air drag, so you get better gas mileage.
Perfect. Well, I think besides this patio room or whatever, I want to go inside and see this new floor plan. I'm so excited.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, now we're in the bedroom. This bedroom is huge. I love it. Look how big it is.
Yes, this is again our new floor plan, our 4319 model. So what we've done, we've extended the bedroom deck compared to our other models, and what this did, this allowed us to put the bed itself in the slide out box. This is a standard king bed, and you can see you can walk all the way around.
And then you've got this nice little accent wall that's up here with the little nightstands that are kind of in the nook of the slide out. It looks awesome, dude.
Yeah, we want people to be able to feel like they're at home, right?
Yeah.
That there's no difference. You have the full amenities of home that you're going to have in our units. And we've actually added this piece right here in this 4319 model. It's a vanity desk, or it doubles as a mobile workstation. So.
And then, stop it. Seriously? Look, all of this closet all the way, and then these big, huge mirrors. Everybody's getting ready in here.
Yeah, and again, plenty of storage in this bedroom. Like Lori said, clothes rod all the way across the front wall. Huge sliding doors, and you still have storage on the other side too, with the washer prep up here.
Perfect. Well, let's go look at the rest of the unit now that we've done this.
Yeah.
Okay, Jason, this little touchscreen is so amazing. What all can it do?
It's very nice. It's cutting edge technology. We've partnered with Firefly. They have this 7-inch touchscreen that operates just like your cell phone. It has all your controls right on here. You can operate all of your lights. It's a battery management system. You can turn off and on your generator. It also has all of your tank capacities, your thermostat controls on here. Does anything and everything.
Perfect.
And the greatest part about this is also there's an app for your phone, and it's all controlled through Bluetooth through your phone.
That's fabulous.
Yes.
And then I also see that we've got some little mood lighting that's happening in our kitchen.
No, we could call it mood lighting.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Indirect lighting in our kitchen area. It also serves great as a night light, but it's on a remote. You can change your colors. You can even, hopefully you don't let the kids get a hold of it, because they can make a strobe light out of it, but it's all good.
A little dance party in the evening.
Yeah, there you go.
Jason, I also have like the cutest Cavapoo in the world.
You do.
Is he gonna be afraid? Like, I know that sometimes if he's like left in here, if I go for a walk without him, he would be super pissed. But like, if I have to go to the bathroom or something like that, like sometimes he's left in there. Do I need to be afraid that my dog is in here by himself?
That is a great question, and it has been a concern with many RVers to leave their pets here in case the batteries get low and then you can't run your climate control. So what we have with the Firefly, it has an auto gen start. So if your battery drops to a certain point, your generators will automatically kick on. and keep your batteries charged, keep your AC and everything else going. Just gives you a little more peace of mind, so you don't have to worry about your pets.
That does give me a lot of peace of mind. And Milo can just hang out and lounge on the couches.
He can.
Perfect. Okay, this kitchen, Jason, is amazing. There is so much storage in here. I love it. As a homeowner, like, that's kind of one thing that I look for, right? Like, how can that be useful for me? How did you accomplish all of this storage in this kitchen?
Yeah, so what we've done, we added lots of cabinets in this L-based kitchen. We have the 3-burner cooktop with oven. We have the large farmhouse sink. We have the convection microwave. And then what we did to make it more spacious, we added a kitchen slide. So you have your large 12-volt refrigerator in the slide, along with the pantry, huge pantry with adjustable shelves, more adjustable shelves up here, 3 large drawers under your pantry.
Can you fit silverware in there?
You can put a residential size silverware tray in the drawer, yes.
Perfect. And then still kind of the same, we've got the furniture track system that comes in this unit as well.
Yep.
Cabinetry in here. And then there's one more thing that we've had for a while, but really haven't showcased, and I want to go look at that enclosed patio room in the back.
Yes, absolutely.
Perfect.
Let's go.
Okay, Jay, we've done this before. We did a little tutorial on how to remove this wall, but let's just showcase this one more time.
Yeah, absolutely. It's one of our great features our engineers came up with. So we have this partition wall because we heard a lot of feedback from our customers that, hey, we want to close off our toy. Like if we're sitting on our unit, have a toy stored inside, we don't want to see it there. But at the same time, we didn't want to make a standard partition wall that's solid, or that's permanent. So what we've done, our engineers designed a partition wall that fastens to the bottom side of this loft. So where this wall is at right now, it gives you 13 feet of garage space. In 5 minutes time, I can have this move to the back side of the loft, which is 4-foot rear. Gives you 9-foot garage for smaller toys like the electric bicycles, your quads.
Perfect. This loft, this is a little ladder. People can sleep up there. You can use it for storage if you don't want anybody to sleep up there, or if it's just the two of you, storage it is.
Yeah. And if you have large toys like a full-size vehicle or maybe a 4-seat side-by-side that wouldn't fit in a 13-foot garage, this partition wall is totally removable. You remove it, it makes a wide open space, and then you have 19 feet of garage space in this floor plan.
So, behind this wall is that enclosed patio. We're going to go check it out now. Jason, I cannot believe how much room it feels like this adds to this floor plan. And there's so many different options. You can screen it, you can have just the vinyl window, or you can just close it all off. That's amazing.
Yeah, so we're standing inside our 3-season patio room option, and it extends about 8 feet of interior space to the inside of your unit. Now, we designed our own, and what Lori pointed out, we have these large windows, and you can totally close them off and have the canvas. You can have the plastic window, or you can have the screens. Now, where we're different than a lot of them, we have a hard roof on our enclosed patio room. This is aluminum tube construction with aluminum skin, and it hinges on top, and it hinges down, and when it's in the enclosed position, it just sits right inside your ramp door, and it takes up very little space, maybe 6 to 8 inches of cargo space when it's all folded up together.
So you said all aluminum construction, still fitting in with how we do the build of our unit. All aluminum.
Absolutely. We never cut corners on that. There's no wood in our construction.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Perfect. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local dealer.